Alright, so one of the questions that we're getting asked a lot by owners of the new Z6 and Z7 is, why is my electronic viewfinder not switching from the automatic display mode, whereby I put my eye to the viewfinder and when I take it away the back screen turns on. Now this is a really simple problem to solve. Up above the electronic viewfinder here you have a very tiny little eye sensor, and when you put your eye to the viewfinder it actually turns the electronic display on the back off. You can also switch your modes by pushing this button here and it will allow you to have electronic viewfinder only or back monitor only. But when you have the viewfinder switch over to the monitor automatically, as we have on ours at the moment, the important thing to know is that this little eye sensor, if it gets dirty, will need a clean. So all we're going to do is we're going to take a cotton bud and we're going to clean it out. You can use a little bit of lens cleaning solution if you want to on the cotton bud, not on the electronic viewfinder sensor, and you just clean that out. You can also use compressed air to get any dust out. This is a very common and frequent thing to need to do, particularly if you're in anywhere that's humid or dusty. It can be done as often as you need and your viewfinder should be working again.